Good morning. In this video, I will be solving integral of tangent inverse x, which is the inverse function of tangent. And some references, they use the notation of arctangent instead of tangent inverse. In all cases, we are solving integral of tangent inverse x. In another video, I solved integral of x multiplied by tangent inverse x. We had a polynomial multiplied by tangent inverse, and we use integration by parts to do it. So here, we can write this integral as integral of 1 multiplied by tangent inverse x dx. So we will have a polynomial, which is 1, it's a polynomial of degree 0, multiplied by tangent inverse, which is an inverse trigonometric function. So we have a product of two functions of different type. And to solve this integral, we use integration by parts. So the rule that we will be using, it's integral of u prime v dx equals u by v between a and b, in the case if it's definite integral, minus integral from a to b uv prime dx. So one of our functions, 1 or tangent inverse x, would be u prime, and the other is going to be v. Now, as I explained in another video, in a previous video of where I was integrating x tangent inverse x, tangent inverse is always v. The inverse trigonometric function would be v. And the polynomial would be u prime. So if u prime is 1, u would be x. And v, tangent inverse x, which means v prime, would be 1 over 1 plus x squared. This is the derivative of tangent inverse x. So I would be u times v, so x tangent inverse x, minus integral uv prime. So minus integral x over 1 plus x squared. Now, to integrate x over 1 plus x squared, I have a fraction here. I'm checking if the numerator is the derivative of the denominator in order to use this rule here, which is the integral of u prime over u equals ln absolute value of u. Now, if we derive the denominator, we get 2x. So we still need 2 in the numerator. So we easily multiply the numerator by 2, and we multiply by half outside the integral. It's as if I multiply the whole integral by 1, which will not affect the integral. So if we put 2 inside, we have to put half outside. So now we have 2x over 1 plus x squared, which is, if you want, w prime over w. And the integral of 2x over 1 plus x squared, it's ln x squared plus 1, or 1 plus x squared. I didn't put an absolute value here because x squared plus 1 is always a positive number. So we can put parentheses and set the absolute value. And finally, our answer would be I equals x tangent inverse x minus half, because we have the half that we added here, multiplied by ln x squared plus 1 plus a constant c, since we were solving an indefinite integral.